Responding to an incident involving compressed hydrogen gas is similar to any industrial gas infrastructure or transportation response. The physical properties of the gas, the type of container, and extent of damage are the key factors in determining a response plan and placing. Always stay upwind of the scene. Signage will help to determine hazards. Refer to information listed on the Australian-New Zealand Emergency Response Guide, Guide 115, or from on-site emergency procedures and manufacturing operating guides. Speak to workers or people on the scene. Establish a safety area of at least 100 metres. If fire is present, establish a safety area of 1,600 metres. Wear PPE with SCBA. Use a multi-gas detector to identify if hydrogen is leaking and at what level it is in the air. Use a thermal imaging camera to see if it's burning. In instances of leaks, there may be a hissing or high-pitched noise. When approaching, consider using a hose line for protection. If the venting hydrogen has ignited, the safest option is to let it burn off rather than extinguishing it. If fire is nearby and impinging on a tube trailer or cylinders, consider the container type before applying water. For high-pressure stainless steel cylinders, water should be used to reduce the potential for cylinder overpressurization and damage. As a general rule, when responding to a hydrogen leak, do not put water on any vents or pressure relief devices, as this may hinder the TPRD from activating correctly. Cylinder orientation and design features, such as walls or roofs, may block access for complete cooling with water. If in an enclosed area, be aware that there may be instances where hydrogen can collect in ceiling spaces and be exposed to an ignition source. If a composite cylinder burns, there can be a lot of smoke because of the carbon fibre composite wraps on the cylinder. In a refuelling station, if a leak is present, follow the same arrival and safety zone instructions. If not already activated, press shutdown buttons. Clear the area of ignition risks and allow hydrogen to vent. Hydrogen leaks or flames will trigger shutdown devices. In case of fire, you may need to cool any non-affected tanks with water. As mentioned, do not spray water into tank openings or valves. To recap, stay upwind. Establish a safety zone and remove ignition risks. Press shutdown buttons if not already activated. Determine if there is a hydrogen leak by using a gas detector or listening for a hissing noise. Use a thermal imaging camera to detect possible flames. Allow leaking cylinders to fully vent. In enclosed areas, consider potential for hydrogen to accumulate in sealing spaces. Spray cylinders to cool them down if necessary, avoiding cylinder openings and valves. Do not approach equipment before establishing if it's on fire or gas is leaking. Do not cut, pierce or touch damaged cylinders or pipework. Do not spray water directly onto cylinder vents.